albums are Chiro Achena, an album of Rabindra Sangeet, released in 2010, Tor Shure, a compilation of modern songs in 2012, and Sanjay Belate in 2013. So here on stage is Ms. Ratna Mukherjee. Accomplishing her in tabla is Shri Gautam Kumar Dhali and in keyboard Shri Anjan Roy Chowdhury.